Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. And today our session is regarding Linux, basic Linux commands. We will try to uh, learn few more basics of Linux commands. And guys, this is my channel. Please subscribe my channel if you find these concepts are interesting, these videos are interesting and helpful for you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. And I'm launching command prompt. Okay, I'm launching the Ubuntu. Okay. Now we will try to see. mm, Always Linux commands are should be in case sensitive. Okay. I can help. So what manage pages do you want to open? Okay. We can get the help of commands. Uh, 1 second, guys. Mm. So we need to type ls hyphen help. Okay. Okay. We are getting more information. So if you are new to the Linux, right, you can go and you can find it by using ls hyphen help. Suppose particular one, if you want particular one, right? Ls hyphen help dash hyphen. We'll try this unrecognized option, but ls hyphen help will give you more context. Okay, clear it. And which gives your location of which use the command path. So locate command path. Or man ls. Can you see? By from this now you can see documentation of commands. Okay, man ls. So this is the one. So suppose q, if you give q no, it will come to come back to the terminal. ls which ls, so just give ls and it can list the files and folders. Suppose which ls, it will give the path of the ls commands where locates. Suppose when you are working with the applications, right, this command helps where is the application path, like that. Yeah, this is helpful, right? So we learned, right, ls. So this, what ls will do, ls will list out all the files and folders under this ls. So ls means listing files and folders. Suppose ls slash home. So no such file there, just ls. We have one directory folder 2. Okay, ls folder 2. So nothing is left, right? So still ls commands we will learn more. So before that, now what I will do, I will try to create some files, right? Okay. Suppose I will make directory mkdir mkdir folder 3. Okay. Make directory folder 4 mkdir folder 5. Okay. So now these files are created. If you want to create the files, right? Now I have created the folder files tych. Already we have file1.txt, right? File2.txt we have. Touch, we'll use touch command. File3.txt. File touch file4.txt. Okay. Now I have created all the files and the folders. Now list of files and folders if you want to see. Can you see? File1, file2, file3, file4.txt, folder1, folder2, folder3, folder4.txt. Now suppose say now just you are seeing the folder name, right? If you want to get the detailed folder names, if you want to see the detailed folder names, just give ls-l. Can you see here? File1, file2, file3, file4, root. Some memory is there for these files, nothing is there. Okay. Folder 2, folder 3, folder 2. See detailed information. You are getting detailed information, right? Which shows user group, root, size, date, and folder name or file name. Okay, some information you are getting a detailed information. So ls-a, it gives the hidden files also along with, see now here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? But along with the hidden files 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 15 files are there. Now ls-a gives the hidden files, right? Suppose if you want to like jointly, if you want to get all these things, ls l hyphen a, can you see hidden files as well as complete detailed information? So gives hidden files as well as visible files. Instead of going for ls-l, ls-a, both consolidated, I give ls-l-l-, right? So this is nothing merging the together and giving the files list. So these are flags, we call it as flags. Okay. If you want to see in human readable format, ls-hl. Can you see? Only the files and folders, human readable files. And here you can see, okay, these are the human readable files, right? If you want to reverse the files, ls-r. Can you see? First one, see ls folder. So can you see the difference? ls, so file1, file2, file3, file4, folder 2, 3, 4, 5, right? But ls-r means recursive. So reverse folders, files. Last one will be first one will be last, folder 5, folder 4, folder 3, folder 2. Suppose if you can do ls hyphen L R. So merging. So can you see here? It was folder to folder to last. Can you see? Can you observe these things? File 1 to folder 5, but it's reverse right now. Folder 5 to file 1 because of hyphen LR is reverse. Right? So we are not covering all, but I'm going to use some information. Okay. Now, if you want to now change directory folder. Now under folder 5, what I can do? I can create one file, touch file x.txt. Okay. Now ls folder 5. Just we are under folder 5 only. Ls. Can you see? File fix.file. Just under this folder 5, I'm typing list of directories and files. Suppose you can create file, make directory, folder, old one. Now if you type ls, can you see? One file we got, one folder one. Suppose if you want to move the previous directory, cd hyphen root. Now just type ls. You can see all these files. Right? Suppose change directory, folder 5, right? Folder 5. Okay. Move to previous directory, hyphen root. List folder. cd folder 5 only, right? Okay, now we move to folder 5. Okay, again, if you want to come back, right? cd double data. Now it will be root. Okay, it will be under root. You can see, right? It will be under root. If you want to print something, right? Echo Linux. So it is printing something. Echo $home. It will give the root. Normally, right, when you are using automation, right, automation framework, you need to provide the path, right? Change directory $home. So this is a Linux command like this. Okay, it will print. So it will print the complete path. Suppose when you're in Java home and all like that. Okay, we have seen, right, working with files and folders. Suppose under the change directory folder 5, right? Under this, what I'm doing, make directory test1. Okay, under that make directory to create nested directories. Okay, hyphen p test1 slash abc. Okay, now just use the list ls. So if file 1 is the folder 1 test1, right? Change directory test1. You can see nested folder. Answer that abc. List ls. abc is the list folder, right? Here, if you want to make directory, -v test2 here inside. So can you see -v means verbose. It is giving make directory, create a directory, verbose. Just list ls abc test2. Test2 is the, it is giving some information. You created the directory, right? These are some commands, guys. It will be more helpful in our. If you want to suppose, just go to folder 5. Now we are in the folder 5, right? Root 5, folder 5. Just ls. Now file fix.txt is there, right? If you want to rename the file, okay, move file. What is the file name? File fix.txt. Rename it to file fix one. File fix, no, rename it to new file. New file.txt. Okay, this is my thing. So just type ls. So can you see? So previously it was file fix. Now we have renamed to this file, new file, right? How this is how you are going to rename. Suppose now mv -v, it is giving some workflows. Okay. Now new file, right? New file .txt to sdet.txt. Okay. It will use our bus. See, rename new file.txt to sdet.txt. ls, right? Now sdet.txt, the file name is sdet.txt. ls -m. Okay. Suppose mv -i. What is the file name? sdet.txt, right? Now I'm changing to automation.txt. So now not verbose, it's I is nothing but overwrite. It will ask. Okay, rename file, original file. This is something which I want to do. What is the rename file name? Is this one? Original file name is sdet.txt. Okay. Okay. Okay, it is not asking for override, but these all are the commands which is helpful in our daily life. So if you want to use some Linux commands, right, best for daily practices and your automation purpose, you can use all these commands. Okay. If you find this session is helpful, please subscribe my channel, guys. Thank you.